Turmeric tea is a healthy beverage that has been consumed for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. It's packed with bioactive compounds and properties that can reduce oxidative damage and provide many positive health benefits for the human body. But you may be wondering, can turmeric tea provide benefits for the lungs? Well, that is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is often found in Indian cuisine. It's packed with antioxidant properties that work to prevent fatty deposits from developing in the arteries. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties which help prevent the arteries from hardening over time. This improves the functionality of the heart and cardiovascular system, which indirectly benefits the lungs and respiratory system as well. That is because the heart and lungs work together to pump oxygenated blood to all of the organs, tissues, and cells within the body. As you know, this is a requirement for survival. While turmeric has typically been used for reducing inflammation, studies found that it also has the ability to improve the body's antibody response. Not to mention, researchers found that turmeric can serve as a natural way to help those suffering from immune disorders. We've talked more about the other positive health benefits of turmeric in other videos here on our channel. With that said, some examples include: it can reduce inflammation, lower the risk of cancer, lower the risk of heart disease, boost the immune system, and help prevent obesity. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider drinking turmeric tea as a part of your daily routine. To do so, you can purchase prepackaged turmeric tea bags online or from a local market. Or you can easily make it yourself using ground turmeric, fresh lemon juice, raw honey, and black pepper. Simply mix these ingredients in water and heat until it begins to boil. Then enjoy a healthy and delicious tea that, as we discussed, can provide you with some incredible health benefits. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com, where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.